Now students, let us see the same example by another method, by prime factorization method. According to this method beta, first of all we have to find prime factors of each number. Okay, and here we have 32, 44 and 60. So first of all we have to find prime factors of these numbers. Okay, and you can see like this we have to find the prime factors of 32, and here like this we have to find the prime factors of 44, and like this we have to find the prime factors of 60. Okay, and now we can write 32 is equal to, here we have to write these all prime numbers as a product of 32. Okay, so here beta we have to write 2, then 2, 2, 2 and then 2. Okay, can we write this one also? No beta, because 1 is not a prime number. Okay, we know 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so here we cannot write 1. Okay, because 1 is not a prime number. Now we have to write here 2 multiply 2 multiply 11, and if we find the product of these then we get 44. Okay, 2 2 jar 4 and 4 multiply with 11 will give us 44. Now we have to write the prime factors of 60. Here we have 2, then 2, 3 and then 5, and then we have 1, but we will not write 1. Okay, because 1 is not prime number. So beta, here after this we have to write HCF of 32, 44 and 60. But how can we write the HCF? यहाँ हमने क्या लिखा था? पहले हमने क्या किया था? पहले हमने फाइंड किए थे फैक्टर्स ऑफ ईच नंबर, देन कॉमन फैक्टर्स. आफ्टर दैट क्या फाइंड किया था हमने? HCF. ओके, बट हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड prime factors of each number, and then we have to find common number also. In this also we have to check common numbers. ठीक है, common factors. So here beta, here we have 2, here 2, here 2. So 2 is common. So here we have to write 2. Now again we have 2 here, here and here also. Okay, so here also we have to write 2, but 2 multiply with 2. Okay, now again you can check in this, because here we have only 3 factors, 3 prime factors, 2, 2 and 11. Okay, so check this, here we have 11 and here we don't have 11, and here also we don't have 11. So 11 is not common factor. So we have only 2 and this 2. Okay, we have to write 2 only one time for these and one time for these, and 2 multiply 2 will give us 4. So 4 is HCF of 32, 44 and 60. So beta, you can see by both method we will get the same answer. Okay. Now students, let us see the same example with long division method. Okay, according to this method beta, we have to divide a number with another number. Okay, so here we have 32 is smallest number, so we will divide the next number with 32. Okay, so let us take 44 and 32. Here we have to write 44 as a dividend and 32 as a divisor. Now we have to divide 44 with 32. 32 1 jar 32. Okay, 32 2 jar 64, and 64 will be greater than 44. So here we have to write only 1. 32 1 jar 32. Now we have to subtract 32 from 44, and when we subtract we will get here 12. Now beta, what is the next step? Now again we have to make the sign of division. Okay, but now we have to write this 32 here. Okay, this 32 we have to write as a dividend. Okay, and this remainder will become our divisor. So here we have to write 32. Now we have to divide 32 with 12. 12 1 jar 12, 12 2 jar 24, 12 3 jar 36. 36 is greater than 32. So here we have to write 2. 12 2 jar 24. Now we have to subtract 24 from 32, and here we will get 8. Okay. Now beta, again we have to make a sign of division, and here we have to write this 12 here. Okay. Now we have to divide this 12 by 8. 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16. So 16 is greater than 12. So we have to write here 1. 8 1 jar 8. And when we subtract, we will get 4. Now again we have to divide. We have to make a sign of division, and here we have to write this. Okay, means 8. And now 4 2 jar 8. Now beta, our remainder is 0. So stop here. Okay, if we have only two numbers, if we have only 32 and 44, and we want to find the HCF, then our answer will be only 4. Okay, because here our remainder is 0. Okay, so our last divisor is 4. So 4 is our HCF. But here we have three numbers. Here we have 60 also. So now what we will do beta? Now we have to divide this 60 also with 4. So now we have to divide 60 with this, with last divisor. So here we have 4. Okay. Now we have to divide 60 by 4 beta. You know, here we have only one digit. So from dividend also we have to take only one digit. So we can take only 6, and 6 is greater than 4. So we can divide easily. 6 by 4. 4 1 jar 4. Now we have 2 as a remainder. Now beta, can we write like this? Can we write this 4 like this? Like this also? Like this? जैसे हमने यहाँ लिखा था कि यहाँ हमारे पास क्या था, रिमाइंडर 4, तो हमने क्या लिखा, 8 को कहाँ लिखा, एज अ डिविडेंड. सो क्या हम यहाँ भी लिख सकते हैं 4 को एज अ डिविडेंड? नो बेटा, बिकॉज हेयर वी हैव 0 ऑल्सो. यहाँ अभी हमारे पास 0 भी है. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट राइट लाइक दिस, इट्स रॉन्ग. ओके, सो first of all, let us complete divide this number, okay, with this divisor. So here we have to put 0. Okay, now we have to divide 20 by 4, and we know 4 5s are 20. So if we divide 60 by 4, here we will get 0 as a remainder. So here if our remainder is 0, so 4 is our HCF. Okay, 4 is the answer, because we know last divisor will be our answer, and here we have 0 as a remainder. So 4 is the last divisor. So what is the HCF of 32, 44 and 64? Okay, 4 is the HCF. So like this beta, you can solve, you can find out the HCF by factor method, prime factorization method and long division method. Students, I hope you all have understood that how can we find HCF by factor method, prime factorization method and by long division method. Okay. Now beta, I will give you one more question. Okay. You have to tell the answer of this question. Okay. What is the question? I am a number between 80 and 90 and I am divisible by both 2 and 3. I am dash. So you have to tell the answer. Okay.